Hehe, uMandla King production hayi. Ilo shoto phumeka sozama ukupushika si rap short division as short guy. Messiah, our Father who art in heaven. Messiah, our Father who art in heaven. Messiah, our Father. Ngizophakamisa izandla zami ngamadolweni kukhothamile nezindebe ngikudumise. Messiah, our Father, ngicela uthumele moya wakho ngcwele, yehlisa umoya wakho ingcwele. Messiah, our Father, thethelele izono zami baba. Messiah, our Father, what's in heaven. Messiah, our Father. Messiah, our Father, who art in heaven. Messiah, our Father. Umanji King production, ilo shoto phumeka. I am not alone when I'm alone, I'm always with God. Bazongilinga marange ngebalo ngebanglo yelithalente lami viki neviki bayangonela yali downfall yakaba ibethela deflate marange ngebabu yankatungcali ka prayer estro mudimu wang blessa I am Mandla King, the son of God. Hey, yeah, always by my side I believe. One combine back 2014 when I was dying in ICU. You came to my side and we talk about it, gave me another life. I never seen your eyes but I heard your voice. I believe that you exist. Our Father who art in heaven. Mdali ngicela ungithethelele izono zami engizenza mihla namalanga mdali. Ngiyazi ngiyisina ngiyisinga ngiyirapha mdali. Our Father who art in heaven, uMandla King production, ilo shoto phumeka. Ngiyazama ukuhamba endleleni yakho. Our Father who art in heaven, ngicela uthethelele izono zami engizenza mihla namalanga. Mandla King production. Messiah, our Father mdali, thethelela babizono zethu sizenza mihla namalanga. Dali thethelela Messiah, Messiah, baba sicela usithethelele izono zethu sizenza mihla namalanga. Our Father who art in heaven, our Father who art in heaven. Messiah, siyacela baba usithethelele isicela ngegama lendodana yakho Jesu Kristu. Our Father, Messiah, thethelela baba izono zethu esizenza mihla namalanga mdali. Messiah, thethelela baba, thethelela izono zethu sizenza mihla namalanga. Our Father who art in heaven, uthethelele our Father. uMandla King production, short division is short guy. Ngizophakamisa izandla zami mdali.